Cambridge ICT 25 March paper 21 word processing. You have been supplied with the following source files. I have all the source files available on my desktop. You would rather check them by name and make sure they are all available. Let us do the evidence. Open the file M2521 evidence.rtf. Let us double click on this file. And maybe you need to click on enable editing to make the file editable. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page in this document. Put this in the header. Insert header, blank header. Put your name, center number, candidate number. Save this document. Document means save as Word document. In your work area, the folder you are working in, with the name evidence, all capital, followed by your candidate number. So file, save as, browse takes you directly to the work area. Change the file type, rich text format to become Word. And put the name evidence, all capital, followed by your candidate. And this is a warning for upgrade to a new file version. You will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshots when required. Okay, let us do the word processing task. Task 2, document. You are going to edit a report. Editing a report means word processing. For seed retailer, there is a scenario or a theme for the entire exam. They use corporate house styles. Styles are very useful and very important. Paragraph styles. Styles are paragraph styles. Must be created, modified, and applied. Okay. Using suitable software package, open the file M2521 document. Let us double click on this. Also, again, enable editing. The page setup is set to A4, already set to A4. Portrait, already set to portrait. 2 centimeter margins, all the 4 margins are already set to 2 centimeters. Do not make any changes to these, just keep them, don't change them. 3 paragraph styles. Also, the document has 3 styles already created. 3 paragraph styles have been created and 2 have been applied. One of them is not applied yet. The exam will tell you all the details. However, just try to maintain whatever is in the file. Okay? Do not make any changes to these unless instructed. Save the document in your work area with the file name crops, all capital. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. This also means file, save as, browse, change rich text format to Word, give it that name crops, all capital, and save, and okay. Now you need a screenshot evidence of saving it. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of file type. Okay, go to the folder or your work area. This is the file called crops. And try to adjust widths of details until Microsoft Word document or the file type is totally visible. Okay, open your snipping tool, SN, search for SN, and then new, take a picture of this. And put this in your evidence file under evidence step number 1. Step number one, evidence. Okay? And click on button save whenever you paste something in your evidence. Place in the footer of the crops document. Go to the crops document and we will put something in the footer. Your name, center number, candidate number, left align, automated page number, right align. So insert footer, 3 columns. You need 3 columns. On the bottom left, put your details. This is your name, your center number, your candidate number. And on the bottom right, automated page number. So this is page number, current position, plain number. And remove this because this is additional, this is unnecessary. So you have on the bottom left your name, center number, candidate number. On the bottom right, automated page number, right align. Make sure all alignment match page margin. The 3-column thing adjusts margins perfectly. No other text included. Remember, we removed this. Footer is displayed on all pages. When you are using footers, headers and footers, they display on all pages. Just click on close and click on button save. Okay? Now it is time to deal with styles. When the exam starts talking about styles, I like to open this Styles Manager window. This Styles Manager window. And I'll also like to check or examine the styles available in the document. So Global Crop Report has the style CR body or just body. Also, the text here has body. Inside the table, the style applied is table. And the rest has style body. Okay, let us remember, put the pointer here. Put the pointer within the first paragraph. Because when you create a new style, it will be unintentionally applied to this paragraph. So remember to change it back to body. Okay? Click on this to open new style window. Create and store the following style. Give it the name CR-subhead. And watch for capitalization because it counts. Okay? So CR-subhead. Based on normal, so change based on, instead of being based on CR body, make it based on normal. Make the font sans serif. Yeah, it is already Arial. Arial is a non-decorated font. Make the size, font size 14. This is 14. Make it left. Click on this. And because here the code is written for you. Bold and italic. This is bold and this is italic. Single 010. Format paragraph. Line spacing single. Spacing before 0. Spacing after 10 pt. And click OK and click OK. See, unintentionally applied to the paragraph I am on. Remember that paragraph was body. Click on body again. Now you created the style, but you did not apply it until being instructed. Let us take a screenshot. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined settings for the CR-subhead. Okay, go here to the arrow on the right, right-click, modify. And open the snipping tool again, and new, and take a picture of this. But you need to close this window before you are able to move to the other file. Step 3, evidence, and paste here. This is the screenshot of your style. Remember to click on button save. Okay? The style named CR-table has already been created and applied to the table. Modify. We need to open that style and modify, so that only the following formatted is applied. When the exam says only, any additional enhancement must be removed. Okay, so click on this. This is CR. I will scroll down to here just to see the effect. Okay, so this is table style. Modify the table style. Modify the table style. The style CR-table, this is already written. It should be serif. Change it from Arial to become Times New Roman. Font size 10. The 14 must become 10. Center, this is center. Italic, make it italic. And make sure no additional enhancements are there. Line spacing single, space before 0, after 0, format paragraph. Line spacing single, space before 0, space after 0. And click OK. And click OK. See, this is the effect. Okay. Let us take a screenshot evidence to show that you have modified the CR table. Again, CR table, modify, and open your snipping tool program and take a screenshot of it. Close the style window before you are able to move to the other evidence file. Step 4, evidence and paste, and click on button save. Let us move to step number 5. Add the text by, followed by a space, and your name after the title, Global Crop Report. So this is Global Crop Report, space and type by, and then space and put your name. Only your name. For example, Global Crop Report by, and this should be replaced with your name. Okay, the style CR subhead has already been created. This one. CR head. The style CR head. Apply this style to the title, Global Report, and the text you entered. Highlight this and make it CR dash head. Styles make your report outstanding. Okay? Then apply a bulleted list to the text from fungi. Yeah, these are the bullets. To animal themselves, highlight from fungi to the animal themselves and make them bullets. This is the button to create bullets. Okay, format the bullets so that bullets are aligned to the left margin. The space between the bullet and the left margin should be 0. Okay, right click, paragraph, spacing before, indentation before should be 0. See, now bullets are aligned to the left. The list is single line spaces. I'd like to remove the spaces with no space before or after. Again, right click, paragraph. Line spacing is already single. Space before is 0. Make space after also 0. See, now no spaces before or after. There is a 6-point space after the last item. Highlight only the last item, right-click paragraph, make it again 6pt space after, and click on button save. Okay? Identify the 6 subheadings and apply CR-subhead you created. This should be CR-subhead. Also this, they are 6. You have to figure them out yourself. I think they are now 6. Yeah, I found them. Select the subheading crop diversity and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending plants in your meal. Highlight from here all the way down to, yes, here, just before conclusion. Okay? Highlight starting from crop diversity all the way down to the paragraph ending the plants in your meal. Change the page layout so only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with 2 centimeter space. Layout, columns, more columns. Make the number of columns 2 and the spacing 2 centimeters, and the computer automatically adjusts the width. And keep this tick equal column width. No, okay. So now only this text is displayed in 2 columns. Click on button save. With 2 centimeters space, 2 centimeters space between the columns. Locate the table. Let us go to the table. This is the table. And borders are invisible. They will not show in the print. Maybe for some reason borders are visible in gray on my computer, but normally, actually, they are invisible. Let us see if we are able to deal with the table with invisible borders. When we cannot, we can put borders. The exam eventually will ask you to apply borders. Let us see if we can manage with borders invisible. Insert a new row between the crop items, wheat and potatoes. Can you put the pointer here? Try to bring the mouse here to the plus between wheat and potatoes. There is also another way. You may right click and insert new, like here. Right click, insert, row below. They are the same. Okay, start typing. Please type this. And 3. And you have to know where the percent symbol on your keyboard is. So type this. Okay. Is asking me to apply gray. Is getting so complicated. I would like to do this first. I would like to do the borders first, because when I apply shading, I think I will not be able to recognize borders, invisible borders. 1 point black internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Click on this plus to highlight the entire table. Click on this arrow and select all borders. Now you have all borders. However, I cannot tell if These borders are 1 pt point thick. Let us try to figure out. Click on this and go to border and shading. The width is half pt. The width is half pt. Change it into 1 pt. pt comes from part. And click OK. Now you have the required thick borders. Let us go back. Now I can. The exam is not so comfortable. Let us do the merging first. Format the first row of the table so that it becomes a single cell. Remove the highlight. Highlight this and the cell to the right of it. Right click, merge cells. Format the first row so that it becomes a single cell. Let us now go to this. Apply light gray to the to rows 1 and 2. Highlight rows 1 and 2. It wouldn't be easy to do this with borders invisible. Highlight the first 2 rows and click on that arrow, and this is 15% shaded. This is 25% shaded. Maybe 25% light gray shading is enough. At least it should be visible in the printer. Click on button Save. All text in each row displays on one line. This is called text wrapping. This is showing on 2 lines. Go with the mouse to the border. I am happy now that borders are visible. Until the mouse is double arrow like this, click and make the column width wide enough until the text takes 1 line. We did that. The table borders and all data fit within the column width. Already done. There is 6-point space after the table. I don't have such an option. My way is to highlight the paragraph immediately following the table, right click paragraph and apply 6-point before. This will appear as if they are 6-point after the table. And this is actually the way I do it every time. Click on button Save. Import the image and place it in the paragraph beginning. There are more than. Where is that? Look at the starting of there are more than. I think this is. There are more than. There are more than. Yeah, this one. This, the paragraph before the table. Put the pointer before the letter T. Insert picture, this device, go to the desktop, 25 March paper 21, and this is the required image. And click on Insert. Yes. Rotate the image 180 degrees so the stalk is in the bottom left. Okay, when you have an image, you have picture format. You have here picture format. Go to rotate. This arrow is called rotate. Maybe rotate is not visible. You can recognize it by the icon. But you can only see rotate 190 degrees. Go to more rotate options and type here rotation 180 and click OK. Now it is already rotated. Format the image so that it is resize width of 2 centimeter and height of 2 centimeter. Here are the dimensions. And they are already proportionally equal. Just type 2 in any of them. The other one will be automatically adjusted to 2. And your default computer measurement unit is centimeters. It is aligned to the left column. Before adjusting alignment, I have to do text wrapping. Text wraps around the image. This means change the wrap text option to square. Now the text flows around the image. And then go back to the left of the column and top of the paragraph. I think it's in place. Maybe pull it down a little bit. So it's in the left, top left of the margin. Spell check and proofread the document. The document is about to finish. Do you think we have any spelling mistakes? Do not correct your name. If your name is highlighted as a typing mistake, do not correct. I think there are no typing mistakes. Proofread the document. Make sure list and table are not split. The table is not split and the list is not split. There are no widow or orphans. Let us use the appropriate option. First, go to Home and select all. Okay? Right click, paragraph, go to line and page break, and make sure you have a tick here beside widow orphan. Make it a tick. And click OK. Nothing changed. Maybe this is because the document is already properly formatted. Click on button save. No blank pages, original styles are maintained. We already did that. All styles are applied consistently, spacing consistently. Everything looks so fine. Save the document using the same file name, print the document. Click on button save and print. In the final, you have to print it on paper. Here, I will use the option Microsoft Print to PDF and then print. Go to the desktop, 25 March paper 21. Give it the name, for example, step 13. And click on button save. Now we are done with Word, and it was for 26 marks. Thank you very much for your attention.